Hello students, today we'll meet the entangling experts of farmland Convolvulaceae weeds. Everyone look at this image on screen. Soybean seedlings strangled breathless by yellow fine threads, corn overwhelmed by purple morning glory flowers. These perpetrators all come from Convolvulaceae. For students majored in agriculture, identifying them is the first step in field management. Why learn Convolvulaceae weed identification? Convolvulaceae weeds are widely distributed. From northeast to South China, from wheat fields to orchards, you can find them in almost all dryland farming areas. Convolvulaceae weeds cause great harm. Though it is a parasitic bully, can cause complete crop failure over entire soybean fields. Field bindweed is an underground expansion king. Rhizomes can spread 10 meters in a year. Convolvulaceae weeds are difficult to control. Many species reproduce by both seeds and rhizomes. Relying solely on herbicides isn't enough. Must recognize them, hit them accurately. So our task today is very clear. First, remember the family phase of Convolvulaceae, then master the 5 most common weed species. Identification features of Convolvulaceae. Convolvulaceae weeds have 3 standard features. 1. Stem characteristics. Most are vines, either twining like a rope around bamboo pole or prostrate, creeping on ground, like morning glory field bindweed. 2. Leaf characteristics. Leaves alternate. Only 1 leaf grows per node. Shapes mostly cordate, hestate, like arrowheads, or ovate, margins entire or lobed. 3. Flower marker. Corolla like small funnel, professionally called funnel-shaped corolla. Colors mostly white, pink, purple, like field bindweeds, pink trumpet, morning glories, purple funnel. Special member, dowder is atypical. It has no green leaves, stem like fine thread, relies on parasitism, eats the wealthy. 3. Species identification 5. Common Convolvulaceae weeds. 1. Dodder. Identification rhyme. Yellow thread, leafless like thread entwined, flowers small in balls, fruits split circumcised. Look at the stem, orange, yellow thread-like. Leaves degenerated into small scales, feels slippery. Look at flowers. Flowers very small, about 3 millimeters wide, like small pods, clustered on stems, forming small balls. Look at fruit. Capsule spherical. When mature, neatly circumcised cell split, like small lid opening. Look at harm. Parasitic on soybeans, peanuts, and other crops. Stems grow haustoria, like small thumbtacks, suck away nutrients, causing crops to yellow and wither. 2. Field bindweed. Identification rhyme. Leaves like halberds, flowers like bows, rhizomes slender like white silkworms. Look at leaves. Basal leaves, ovate, oblong, upper leaves triangular, hestate, like arrowheads, sides with small lobes. Look at flowers. Pink funnel-shaped flowers, 2 to 4 centimeters diameter, smaller than hedge bindweed, like small rice bowls. Bracts broadly ovate, wrapping calyx. Look at roots underground with white slender rhizomes like small silkworms. After cutting, each segment can grow new seedlings, so wildfire cannot burn it out. Spring breeze blows, and it grows again. Look at harm. Most common in North China wheat fields, Yangtze River Valley rapeseed fields. Rhizomes spread rapidly, often forming single large patches, competing with crops for water and fertilizer. 3. Hedge bindweed identification rhyme. Large heart-shaped leaves, large petal flowers, bract wrap fruit like small umbrella. Look at leaves, triangular ovate or broadly ovate, base cordate like hearts, larger than field bindweed leaves, 4 to 9 centimeters long. Look at flowers. Corolla 4 to 7 centimeters long, like large bowl, white or pale purple. Bracts also larger, 1.5 to 3 centimeters long. Look at the fruit, capsule wrapped by enlarged bracts and sepals, like small umbrella. Look at haulm, prefers cotton and wheat fields. Sometimes can cover entire land blocks. Is a single dominant population itself accounts for vast majority. Comparison tip. Field bindweed is small trumpet plus small leaves. Hedge bindweed is large trumpet plus large leaves. Remember, as large hedge, small field won't confuse. 4. Tall morning glory, identification rhyme. Round heart-shaped leaves. Purple bright flowers. Seeds 3-angled, black and shiny. Look at leaves, round ovate or broadly ovate, base cordate, margins entire or 3-lobed like small lotus leaves. Look at flowers, purple, pale, red or white funnel flowers, 4 to 6 centimeters diameter, much larger than field bindweed. Look at the stem with short pubescence and backward coarse stiff hairs, feels prickly. Look at haulm, native to Americas, now common on roadsides, in orchards. Stems and leaves luxuriant, will strangle native plants. Is an invasive alien species. 5. 3-lobed morning glory. Identification rhyme. Leaves 3-lobed flowers. Small seeds dark brown without down. Look at leaves. Ovate to orbicular, often deeply 3-lobed like small palm base cordate. Look at flowers. Pale red or pale purple small flowers, about 2 centimeters long, much smaller than morning glory. Look at the fruit. Capsule nearly spherical, covered with fine stiff hairs, 4-valved split. Look at haulm, common in orchards, nurseries. Seeds reproduce rapidly. Is an invasive newcomer, needs key attention. 4. Summary students. Let's summarize characteristics of Convolvulaceae. Look at the stem. Is it twining, prostrate? Does it have leaves? Daughter leafless. Others have leaves. Look at the leaves. Shape is cordate, hastate, or 3-lobed. Field, bindweed hastate. Tall morning glory, round caudate. Look at flowers. Size, color. Whether bracts wrap calyx. Field bindweed small pink flowers. Bracts wrap calyx. Morning glory, large purple flowers. Bracts small. Students, there's a question we need to test everyone. Among the 5 weed species just discussed, which is parasitic, which are invasive aliens, everyone leave comments in discussion area. Okay, today's lesson ends here. Students, goodbye.